So I did this post last week, over 174 views, 15 likes, 2 comments, 2 shares, and the thing is I did absolutely nothing to build it. I'm going to go now to full screen and tell you a bit more about it. I didn't write it, I didn't design it, I didn't even schedule it. I was busy doing other things the other morning when it came out, and I didn't have to touch my phone once. This is what a $0 marketing department, or in fact a zero effort marketing department, looks like. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put one together for your own business. Now I know what you're thinking, that this is some sort of kind of complicated tech setup that only works if you've got a developer in-house and you're basically prepared to throw tons of money at it. And basically I can say that it's not. Everything I'm about to show you works for a tradie, a dentist, a childcare centre, any small business owner who is tired of social media eating their week and not getting results. Here's the problem with how most small businesses approach their marketing right now and why it's costing them way more than they realise. Okay, so I've titled this the $0 marketing department. So basically, the truth is it's not $0, but compared to having an on-staff marketing person, an on-staff developer, this is basically close to $0. Okay, so let's just go to the next slide. The big problem with marketing departments is basically they're expensive, slow, and really challenging to manage, especially in a small business which often doesn't have enough size to be able to build out a proper marketing department, or even a marketing person can be too much for a small business. I mean, a social media manager, as I've listed here, can cost in that range $1,500 to $4,000 a month. Using an off-site social media agency can be really, really expensive, around the $2,500 to $5,000 a month. I'm talking US dollars here. Now, probably the worst option of the three that doesn't sound so bad perhaps is doing it yourself and having 5 or 10 hours a week or even longer a month that you don't have to spend on your actual business that you're an expert in, trying to work out marketing and build out social media contents. Can be a real challenge for small business owners. And there's just, basically, as I've said in the last question there, is there another way? There's definitely better options available for you than any of those three above. So I want you to meet your new marketing team, and basically, I mean, all of these particular types of vocations, being content strategist, copywriter, video presenter, graphic designer, scheduler, they're all things that a small business wouldn't be able to afford. A really big business could potentially have all 5 of these skills and have someone sitting in one of those roles, but even big businesses often don't have all of these. So basically, you could content strategist, you can use Claude AI, copywriter, also Claude AI, video presenter, there's a number of them out there. I really like HeyGene and Synthesia. You can check them out if you like. Higgsfield can effectively do the same thing with a complete AI video. Graphic design is brilliant when it comes to AI. Nano Banana 2, the GPT images, models that are out there are absolutely next level. Scheduling is really easy with AI and automation. That's what Make.com and N8N are built for. Go High Level is really useful for actually scheduling social media content as well. Okay, so now I'll just run through a quick example of actually, let's see this AI run and build us out some content. So a post like this, the video, the copy, basically the slides here, all of these, they're all AI generated. And basically it's as simple as setting up a Claude system here. Basically, Claude Code, in fact, what I'll do, perhaps I'll go through this fairly quickly because I've used this before or shown this before in some of my other videos. But basically, and when it comes to actual automated content, you don't need to go to this. You don't, like someone like me or perhaps someone who builds this for you would have done all of this for you and put it in an automated container effectively that just produces it and puts them into a scheduler for you. So maybe I'll just show you the scheduler. Okay, so as a business owner, this is actually the screen you'd see. Basically, this is a scheduler. In this case, I've used Go High Level. Just clicking on one of these posts. Let's show you what it looks like. Edits. It'll be a simple matter of clicking edits, waiting for it to load, and just checking through the contents, and literally, as I've done here, schedule it for a date. So as simple as that, and there's a piece of content done, and you could do this at the start of the week for an entire week, or you could even do it at the start of the month for an entire month. I reckon it'd take you less than an hour to look through them. The beauty is that Claude AI and a few other automation techniques have actually brought this into this spot for you. So basically all you have to do is approve it and be kind of the human in the loop that approves the content when it comes out. So really, it's as simple as that for a business owner. Let me pause this. Now, I know business owners love numbers, and here's some numbers around how much the cost difference between having a marketing team and having AI run your marketing really is. I mean, looking at it, the cost of AI, a $20 US Claude Code subscription, potentially a Higgsfield subscription, which is a video and image platform, say about $47 a month. HeyGen, which would be optional, but which would be AI avatar, which basically you can create a talking head speaker of you that records your voice and records your likeness, and basically you can, anything that's then typed into it, it can actually talk and look exactly like you. And perhaps some other AI models such as Nano Banana, which is an image generation model, another $40 a month. So say $150 US a month AI costs. It's not zero, as I did say at the start, but it's very, very cheap compared to, say, a $3,000 or $4,000 social media agency. An average of $1.60 a post on 90 posts approximately. So basically, you can see there the difference between, say, $150 US a month and $3,000 or $5,000 a month for an agency is massive. And basically, the biggest benefit though for you is not the actual money saved, it's the time saved. When all the content is properly automated through Claude, Make, GHL, all that needs to be done is to approve the post and maybe edit the text slightly if it's incorrect, between 10 and 30 minutes a week. And so looking further at the numbers, looking at the engagement numbers basically at a post level, this particular post, which was on an almost brand new account, got me 174 views. So I was in front of 174 people. Think how hard it is to get in front of 174 people as a business owner. 15 likes, 2 comments, and reached 74 accounts. I did get a lead. It was indirectly related to this post. It wasn't specifically related to this post, but there was a lead involved. At an account level, this many views, that 1,970 in the last 14 days, 110 interactions, 38 profile views, and 1 lead, all from a new account in 14 days with a total of 24 posts, which is not that many really. I mean, you can really increase the volume of posts to as many as you want with AI without much extra effort. It's quite novel. Okay, so how to start? Basically, I've only given this in general sense, and I'd love you to reach out if you want to start on something like this. I can help you basically on your journey there. Basically, create or download some Claude skills and customize them to act as the content strategist, the copywriter, and the orchestrator. You can automate that Claude schedule using a Claude schedule or a managed agent, and or Make.com potentially to automate and schedule your particular Claude skills. You can link by MCP, which is like an API connection specifically for AI, to Higgsfield or to HeyGen or to other tools. And here I've done a number of how-tos recently on how to do these particular style of basic social media content posting, and in recent and some upcoming videos. So basically that's around about it. So I just want to emphasize how much that's basically AI content automation can really save you time and money big time, and fill in the gaps that maybe you have in your social media really, really well. It's a really high quality solution to this sort of thing. And basically, I'd love you to reach out, whether it's through my landing page, the links in the description. And so reach out and we can just talk about what possibly can be done for your business.